Am I recording?
Hello everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a Sephora beauty director.
Hey everyone, I'm David, also a Sephora beauty director, and this is the second holiday gift edit video. We are really excited. We're going to be giving you first access to look at a lot of the incredible holiday assortment. But before we get into the products, I wanted to remind everyone that today starts Sephora's holiday savings event. Now, depending upon the tier of your insider status, you will have access from today through the 9th of November. So VIB Rouge members, you have early access from today till November 2nd, where it's just you, exclusive. So get your savings on. Of course, you can continue shopping the event till the 9th. Now, if you're a VIB status member, you have from November 3rd through the 9th, and then insiders have from November 5th through November 9th. So it's a really big chunk of time to make sure you get your savings on, because we're all looking to save a little bit of money during the holidays. And now let's get into some products, because I know Myiesha's waiting in the wings.
Yes. I don't know how I became a Rouge again this year, but I did. And I think it's because I kept sending people presents in the mail because I missed them. So it's going to continue. I'm going to keep sending presents to people. I'm going to keep buying, cute things for myself because everyone deserves it. But we're going to be talking about some hair care, some skin care, some really cool color items that you're going to love. So first up, our fave, Mother. We miss her. I miss running into her at events and things like, last time she saw me, she at the lipstick event, she goes, "Get this girl some lipstick." And I was like, "Yes, please, thank you." So this is very appropriate. So this is from McGrath. This is the Guilty Pleasures, a mini lip trio. She always does these really cute minis, because when's the last time you've really finished a lipstick? I haven't finished a lipstick in quite a long time. So I really appreciate these minis, and I really appreciate limited edition packaging. It always makes me feel very special. Now these are 3 classic colors. I know Elson is in here. Elson is one of my favorite reds that she makes.
Too.
And she has, and also like the inspiration behind the real person. I absolutely love her. And it's just this gorgeous little set. Amazing. And let's swatch some of these because you guys came here for swatches, Ooh, glitter. Oi, oi. I'm so moisturized, it's sticking to me. It's a good problem to have. I'm going to save these and do something. I have a whole collection of McGrath sequins that I save for crafts and things like that. Which is this gold one? So this is Elson 2, this beautiful gold one. Oh my goodness.
That is really cute.
That's a cute little baby. This is the matte trans formula, I can already tell. Yeah, matte trans is like this beautiful velvety, almost like pillowy, almost looks like a powder eyeshadow. And this one is soft core.
It's very cushiony.
Soft core is this really beautiful kind of blue-based baby pink. If I was going for full drag, that'd be a really good color for my lips right now. Kind of complement the blue in my eyes. And this one is Executive Realness. I like that. And this is also kind of like a blue-based berry color. That's absolutely gorgeous. This would be a great gift for anyone who maybe misses wearing their lip colors because they've been wearing a mask. I feel like my best friend's mom would love this. Mrs. Lopez, you might be getting this for holiday. We'll see. That is absolutely gorgeous.
It is a beautiful shade though. Very wearable. Very
and it just
wearable.
will slip in a clutch perfectly. I love this.
Yeah, and that size is perfect.
Baby.
Even if you don't have a bag, you could throw it in your pocket. It's so
For
convenient.
me, it'd be like the side of my bra. That's my spot. But okay, so I'm covered in sequins now. So what do you have for me, David?
Never a problem to be covered in sequins, by the way. So up next is from Tatcha, who always does an incredible job during the holidays. This is the Pure and Pore Perfecting Trio. An incredible little trio gift set of skincare. Tatcha's really hot right now. Japanese skincare brand, incredible. And what you get in here is 3 of their iconic products, all of which work really well at perfecting and minimizing texture and pores. So you have the water cream, which is their iconic classic hydrator. It's a water-based, oil-free hydrator. And so one of the great things about this water cream is it's filled with a lot of these Japanese nutrients that can do so many great things for your skin, like minimize the appearance of your pores, help with cellular turnover. It's just an all-around great hydrator and skin booster, and really, really great for those people who have normal to oily skin. And I know we've spoken about this before in holiday videos, is the value of holiday gift sets.
Yes.
That's a full-size water cream. That's not a mini, that's not a luxury. That's the full legitimate size. Plus you're getting the other stuff.
Yeah.
So the value on this gift set is incredible because you also get the Deep Cleanse, which is an incredible cleanser that's awesome for all skin types. It really helps to decongest pores, smooth skin, remove dirt and debris, really helps start the process of keeping your skin cleansed, yet hydrated, not stripped, and minimizing those pores. So this whole collection is especially good for people with normal to oily skin, especially if you have troubles with pores. And then finally you get the Silk Peony, which is that eye cream that they're so known for. It's a beautiful silk peony eye cream. It hydrates that really sensitive area around the eye, which tends to be much thinner skin, and it creates a strengthening effect on the barrier in there so that you don't lose the hydration that you put in there or the nutrients, which can happen often with the eye area because that skin is so thin and it's so fragile. So this collection really covers all the basis of your skin needs. Plus, I just think the packaging is beautiful. The gift set is beautiful, right? Isn't it gorgeous? And it like to me, and I know you'll agree with this, Myiesha, because I know you're a big traveler. Like, a lot of us can't travel right now. For me in the holidays, I am thinking in terms of that when it comes to gifts that I'm giving to people. I'm like, oh, this will kind of be like giving somebody a luxury Japanese spa in a little box, you know? And like,
exactly,
you know, because it's like, that's what it's all about. And I know you were talking about like people you were going to give to and you love giving gifts. And I feel like this holiday especially, I'm really grateful for those people in my life who really helped me through like this crazy year, you know, and like I want to give them something special, and I just think that these kind of gifts are just wonderful in that aspect. So I love this. Tatcha did an incredible job.
So I have some hair stuff. I've recently been rotating all my hair products. I think I try a new deep conditioner every week. So I have Intense Love from Moroccan Oil. The deep conditioner is actually my current one in my shower right now. So this is the Twinkle Twinkle Hydration Set from Moroccan Oil. So this one's great because you're getting a sample of a lot of really great products, but by sample, I mean like it's almost full size. So you're getting these full size shampoo and conditioner, which I've really been liking. I've been liking more shampoos lately. I feel like shampoos in the past really dried out my hair, but I find this one to be very hydrating. And the conditioner, I tend to finger detangle in the shower, and I find that it has enough slip so I can do so. It has argan oil and linseed oil, and I find whenever I'm looking for new hair products, I tend to have a mental list of my favorite oils and favorite ingredients. So as soon as I saw argan oil, I was like, okay, I know it's gonna work. And then this one right here, this is their sort of cult classic bestseller, I think the one that everybody's tried. And this is the Moroccan Oil Treatment. And again, linseed oil, argan oil. You can use it in many different ways. They recommend putting it in the hands, evenly distributing it, and then just putting it, I would say start in the areas where your hair is the driest. You never wanna put oil on and then immediately go on the top of your head, especially if you have like flatter, finer hair, because it's just going to weigh it down. It's almost like putting foundation on. You don't want to start where you don't need that much coverage. I like to start from the bottom because these are the oldest strands. They need the most hydration. And then I just kind of like massage through. You can also use it before you shampoo if you find that shampoo tends to dry out your hair, or the shampooing process overall tends to be a little bit brutal on your hair. And then you get a body lotion. I've been like playing with their body lotions this summer. I was wearing like the sparkly body oil, things like that. So I think this is a great kit for anybody with drier hair. They don't have to have curly hair like mine. I just really love how it works, and I use this in many different ways. I've kept this in my kit too because I find that like even though it's not the body oil, in a pinch, I can use it all over like a model's body to get that like glowy decolletage. So definitely I have a lot of love for Moroccan Oil, and this would be a great set to introduce somebody to the brand. Okay, so you have something that I feel like everybody should get this year because it's like something you always need.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a really, really good gift. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and these are the Insta Brows kits. They're really smart. This is a really great stocking stuffer. It's just a simple, easy gift. So what it is basically is it's done per shade, so they are according to shade. So there's everything from taupe all the way to the ebony shade, and it's just a really smart packaged gift set that gives you a brow definer. So that is the Anastasia brow definer pencil, which has the spoolie on one end, and then it's that sort of triangle tip on the other. And you also get in there, which is their incredibly iconic clear brow gel, which is so fantastic for holding your brow in any shape that you want. It's really easy to use. It's got a great hold. It's clear color, so it works on everybody's shade. And it just is a simple, easy way to get that nice, full, fluffy brow. Okay, Myiesha, what's next?
Okay, so from First Aid Beauty, we have the All That Fab set. This was a brand I've been using for many, many years. It's worked really well for my eczema when it flares up, so I absolutely love it. I keep the Ultra Repair Cream in my kit at all times. I just love the fact that they're giving you the 6-ounce jar, like, which is an incredible value. Like, I can use this cream from head to toe. I can use it like on elbows, as primer for foundation. I absolutely love it. It has colloidal oatmeal in it, so it's very soothing. Kind of like when a doctor tells you, like, oh, take an oatmeal bath, it'll soothe your skin. It's like doing that without the trouble of like oatmeal in your bathtub. I don't know. I've never, yeah, seems like too much, but I just absolutely love this. You get the face cleanser, which is I absolutely love because Jason's actually using it. I'm getting him to like love a cleanser. I'm so happy. So if you have someone who's super picky about cleansers or putting stuff on their face and they want something that's fragrance free, absolutely adore this. And I was really into this Eye Duty Niacinamide brightening cream. So I've actually never used this. So I used it this morning because I love niacinamide. It's probably like my top 3 or 5 ingredients. And I know that when you put it on your face, it will help with inflammation. So really good with rosacea, really good with helping with like blemishes, things like that. But I was like, what does it do for the eyes? So when I looked it up, it actually helps to combat darkness around the eyes. And it has this sort of like peachy, slightly pearly color to it. So it just gave me this like beautiful highlight under my eyes. So I'm sold. I put that in my little collection of like too many eye creams I have open at one time. I really, really enjoyed that. And then you get the facial radiance pad. So I would say David and I are pretty big, like any like radiance pad, Dr. Grows, First Aid Beauty, we absolutely love because people sit down in our chairs all the time and maybe their skincare routine, you know, maybe they haven't exfoliated in a while, like totally understandable. We're in beauty, so that comes naturally to us. But this just sloughs away all that dead skin. It's very good for sensitive skin too, so you don't have to be like, oh, is it going to be too harsh for me? It's absolutely beautiful. So and you get a full-size lip therapy. Like this is one of the best sets. I feel like First Aid Beauty always comes with a value. This is incredible.
Honestly, I'm taking this one for myself because it's exactly what you said. These products all are staples in my professional kit. Like the radiance pads are exactly like you said. It's a must-do for me before I start any type of makeup. I have to do good skincare, and that is one step. And exactly what you said. Even sensitive skin can handle that, and it works beautifully. And that lip therapy, I have to tell you, that is my unsung hero of hydrating lips prior to makeup. That stuff does not affect any lipstick application. So if you're a lip lover, that is the lip hydrator for you, 100%.
Also, shout out to the inclusive packaging. I don't know if you can see how cute everyone is on here. Like, that is adorable. I love things like this. I've always loved like very, you know, cutesy art and whatnot, and they look amazing. So that makes me very happy too.
I love the whole thing. It's like all that fab, like all that jazz 1920s.
I love it.
You know, it's such cute packaging.
Yes.
Yeah.
2020 was a little different than we expected, but you know, it's been eventful as we thought it would be.
Yeah.
All right, what do you have next, David?
So the final gift set is from Olaplex. This is the Holiday Hair Fix. And I already ordered 3 of these, and I'm going to tell you why. So I think of hair as, it's not the first thing I would go to when I gift for holidays, but I did start giving some hair gifts last year, and the response was enough to encourage me to start buying more hair sets for holiday gifts. It's kind of the unthought of gift. And Olaplex is such an iconic brand. So what you get in here is from Olaplex is their Holy Grail, which is their number 3. Then you get the number 4 shampoo, the number 5 conditioner, and the number 6 bond smoother. And the thing about Olaplex is the whole system is designed to repair broken bonds on the hair follicles. So it's really great. Any of these products are really perfect for anyone who has damaged, overstyled hair, color-treated hair. I mean, the number 3 is like their holy grail for like repairing your hair back to its most luxurious, luminous, smooth, beautiful hair. And it really works. And the funny thing about Olaplex in general, which kind of got me to order so many this year, I had gotten another little gift set of theirs and I gave it to my best friend randomly, who's a guy, just loves his hair, and I didn't think anything of it, and he came back to me, he's like, yo, I am now addicted to Olaplex, and I'm like, okay. He's like, how do I get more of it? I'm like, well, easy, go on Sephora.com, duh. But so I was like, this is awesome. Like, the response was not what I expected from it, but it kind of got me thinking how hair care is really that sort of like, you don't think about it as a gift, but when you give it, people are so appreciative to try this incredible hair care that they might not know about. And Olaplex is, like, I don't think I've ever met anyone who's used this who has not raved about it.
Because it's for all hair types.
Right.
So
exactly.
I would say out of all the gift sets we're talking about a lot of hair stuff. Mm-hmm. Like, this is the one where it doesn't matter what your hair type is, you can definitely use this. Like, I remember thinking Olaplex was only for color treated hair, and I don't color my hair, so I was like, oh, like maybe it's not for me. But I used every single hair on my head used to be a split end. That's just how like I thought life was. But I haven't been to my hair set. Yeah, that's how I grew up. I was like, every single hair is a split end. That's just what it is. But I haven't had a haircut in months because 2020, everyone's backed up, and I DM my hairstylist and I'm like, can I just use number 3 until I can get the 1 and 2 professional treatment and my split ends and things? Like, this has changed my hair. Like, even if you don't really do much to damage your hair, like, I don't even let people that wear corduroy, like, hug me because I'm like, you're going to rip my hair. Like, please, no, I can't. Like, everyday activities, I'm like, oh, no, like, I can't. So even if you feel like your hair's not damaged, I feel like my hair's at a point where it's pretty healthy because I treat it pretty kindly. Like, number 3 all the way. I don't really love shampoo. This shampoo is my absolute favorite. Jason, my boyfriend, was using this on his bald head, and I was like, excuse me, you need another shampoo. You can't use this on your buzz cut. Like, what is wrong with you? This is like my good stuff. I use every single thing in the Olaplex range. I just use it at different times. I mix in the bond smoother with my leave-in conditioner. If you have like finer hair, maybe you put it at the ends. Like, cause I have so much hair, I would go through this bottle pretty quickly. So I just use it to boost my leave-in conditioner. Right. But I use the oil, like, every single part of it. But if you have damaged hair, if you're trying to regrow your curly hair and you feel like you have heat damage or just damage in general, like, definitely look into Olaplex, because I didn't think it was for curly hair, and it's changed my hair. Yeah, FREESHIP, Moroccan Oil, Olaplex, straight to coily, came together and fixed me. So I'm grateful. So give the gift of Olaplex to your friends and family, because, you know, you can see, like, guys like it too. It doesn't matter what your hair type is. This is a perfect little gift set. Seriously, it really is. Well, hopefully all of you have enjoyed this incredible sneak peek into the holiday assortment. Let us know in the comments section below any of these products that really stick out to you. Maybe an idea from one of these, like, I'm going to gift that to my best friend, or I'm going to give that to my mom, or I'm going to give that to my girlfriend. To myself. To myself, trust me. I am putting so much aside this year. I'm like, I've earned holiday gifts this year. This year I'm grateful for myself to be alive. Yes, I'm grateful that I'm here to put bond smoothing cream on my hair. So I'm just happy. So definitely leave down below, like, what you're most excited about, what you plan on gifting to your friends and family, all that. And as always, please subscribe, because, like, the sale starts today. Like, you don't want to miss the videos and then say you missed out. So subscribe so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you next time. Bye.